Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. So this week we are doing a 540 square foot driveway apron. It's pretty straightforward. We're taking out asphalt, which is pretty easy to do. Stick around for the excavation, the framing, the pouring, which is my favorite part. Hopefully you guys like what you see. Leave us a like, subscribe. Stick around for me sneezing a lot too. My allergies are going wild right now, but we're in one of our favorite parts of town to work in. But we'll see you then. Bye-bye. Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. There it is. Tear out came quick. It was asphalt. We got our rebar down, compacted the heck out of everything, even though it was really hard already. We're just gonna have to kind of pour up against these rocks and float it in there better. Let's see how good it comes out. And then we got a nice little slope from that corner this way to draw water out. Everything's looking pretty good. See you guys tomorrow at the pour. We got great weather tomorrow. Today's a little bit rainy, but we should be all right. Thanks for sticking around, guys. Bye-bye.
Ese teléfono ya estaba apagado. Sí, son esos dos nomás. No, yo tengo pinches. Estábamos haciendo 20. El escrito corso que el mero corto, ¿le qué? Ese güey no...
por el árbol que estorba.
Ah, este que suelta me lo viento. Y de una vez lo voy barriendo, chingue pelo. Es que el brazo fuerte y usted que es la pierna fuerte, ¿o qué? El brazo fuerte, compadre. El que está ahorita aquí a la estoy recogiendo. De repente a uno le salen los chihuahuas, ¿verdad? Compa, la chingada, que sí se ha fijado, Miguel. Sí. Yo sí me he fijado que de repente le salen los chihuahuas. Los chihuahuas de papá. De papá Catalina.
Hey guys, so the pour went well. We knocked it out. There it is. Pretty straightforward. Besides that little nook in there, making sure that the water was going from the corner of that door over there this way. Everything else has plenty of slope. Poured at 5 slump, 7 in the morning. We got nothing but blue skies. Everything's good. Thanks for sticking around. We're glad we got concrete. Our company really hooked us up and brought us what we needed. See you guys next week. We're only going to be prepping this job. It's going to be a big one. It's like a month-long project. It's a 30-yard driveway. So I'll update you guys periodically. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Bye. My shot. Hey, guys. Good morning. So we just dug that out over there. I forgot to set up the camera. My wife wasn't around. My bad. But we got that out of there. Customer's going to be needing this extension here so she can actually pull in at an angle and go up. But stick around for the rest of it. Sorry, guys. Oh, I'm sorry. No la quieren ver muy fácil. Ah, pues con eso, ¿no, Jaime? No, pues no creo, Jaime.